Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at lot number 32 right here in front of the home. You can see the large deck to the left. This home does have a mini split, has a nice long driveway. Straight ahead there is your storage shed. This is an all age community. It is a 1 bed, 1 bath manufactured home. Right back here in the backyard, it is nice and private. So let's go ahead and take a step inside and check it out. And through your side door here to the left. Stepping in here is your living room area. Kitchen with your little dinette set. This home does have a new mini split, LVP flooring throughout. Back here is your bathroom. Nice walk-in shower. And then here is your bedroom. So with a nice walk-in closet, plenty of space. So come on down, check it out. This is lot number 32, located in Summer Shade Grove in South Daytona, Florida. All age community.